Hi friends! Today we're going to prepare this butternut squash in under 3 minutes. To make this as easy as possible, you'll want to have a vegetable peeler, a sharp chef's knife, and a spoon. Let's get started. So begin by peeling the entirety of the squash. You don't have to worry too much about the very top and bottom because we'll be cutting those off, and it helps to have a peeler with a really good tooth. So you'll want to cut the top and the bottom off of the squash, and as you can see I have a little bit of a rocking back and forth motion. This helps the knife cut through it a lot easier, and then I set it on the stable bottom and cut down lengthwise using gravity to help me. And then I like to use a grapefruit spoon for this since it's serrated, but any spoon you can use, plus a little bit of elbow grease, and you'll just push into the squash and scrape out all of the stringy and seedy parts. And then taking your sharp chef's knife and cutting it into long strips, and make sure your fingers are out of the way. So once I've cut them into lengths, I turn them on their side so that they're perpendicular to the knife, and then I cut them into small cubes, which I find is a great size for most cooking projects. And again, here you'll want to make sure to be careful that your fingers are out of the path of the knife. I just wanted to mention that I sped a couple things up to keep this video quick, but I timed myself in real time and it took 3 minutes start to finish, so I hope these tips can help you save time and make it easier so you can enjoy butternut squash. Let's get cooking!